Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
A budget kitchen is essential for anyone looking to maximize both financial and practical efficiency without sacrificing style or functionality. The concept revolves around creating a kitchen that is cost-effective yet equipped with essential tools, appliances, and aesthetic features that make cooking and gathering enjoyable. Here's why investing in a budget-friendly kitchen is important. Number 1. Cost savings. A budget kitchen allows homeowners to prioritize spending on essentials, keeping finances under control. Instead of splurging on high-end appliances or luxury countertops, a well-planned budget kitchen focuses on affordable, durable materials and multifunctional tools. This approach can save thousands of dollars without sacrificing quality or performance. According to Consumer Reports, many budget-friendly kitchen materials, like laminate countertops and vinyl flooring, are durable, low maintenance, and significantly cheaper than granite or hardwood options. Number 2. Efficient space utilization. Budget kitchens encourage thoughtful design that maximizes space, which is especially useful for smaller homes or apartments. Opting for compact appliances, open shelving, and versatile storage solutions can create an organized, clutter-free environment that enhances productivity. By focusing on functional layout designs, a budget kitchen minimizes waste and optimizes available space for efficient cooking and meal prep. IKEA, for example, offers affordable, modular kitchen designs tailored to small spaces and adaptable to changing needs. Number 3. Reduced maintenance costs. Expensive, high-end kitchens often come with high maintenance demands. Budget kitchens typically feature cost-effective, easy-to-maintain materials that don't require extensive upkeep. For instance, opting for stainless steel appliances or durable laminate surfaces reduces the need for frequent replacements or costly repairs. This old house points out that durable, lower-cost materials can withstand heavy daily use and retain their appearance with minimal maintenance. Number 4. Flexibility for updates. Since budget kitchens avoid long-term investments in luxury finishes, they allow homeowners to update or change designs as needed without a huge financial burden. For example, budget-conscious design choices like peel and stick backsplash tiles or affordable cabinet paint can easily refresh a kitchen's look without major renovations. This flexibility is beneficial for those who want to keep their kitchen aligned with current trends or personal preferences. Number 5. Sustainability. Budget kitchens often make use of second-hand items, refurbished appliances, or materials like recycled wood, supporting eco-friendly practices and reducing environmental impact. This approach aligns with sustainable living goals by encouraging the use of pre-loved and sustainable materials, which also helps reduce waste. In summary, a budget kitchen brings practical and financial benefits by promoting smart spending, maximizing space, and enabling flexibility in design. By focusing on quality essentials and practical aesthetics, a budget kitchen makes for an efficient and adaptable space that's perfect for modern living.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.